In this video, I will show you how to upload your office logo onto Paragon. First, you will need to click on Preferences on the upper right-hand corner. Select User. Then, click on Update Office Logo. Then, click on Upload Image. Then, click on Add Files. Choose your image that you would like uploaded. Click Start Upload. Once you see the image appear, click on the photo, and then click on Insert Image. And now you know how to upload your office image onto Paragon. If you have any questions, you can contact Bay East Tech Support at 925-730-7100. Thank you.